Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to remove green screen in Capcut on PC. And this is quite simple. First of all, make sure that you import a green screen video or file, and that file we throw this to our timeline. Then from here we want to go to video, then we go to remove BG, and from there we click on chroma key. Right now we click on the picker, and right now we select the green like holding our mouse on the green field and then click on that. So right now if we are playing this clip, you can see that he is doing it without the green screen. Right now we can change the intensity of this. So right now if I do this, I don't see the green anymore, and we can add shadows if you want to, but it is not necessary. And you have a lot of more pro options, but that is not important for now. But this is the way how you can remove the green screen in Capcut PC. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.